Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat2. So this is the answer 1. Okay, so the first question is what is time dot delta time? Okay, so time is a class provided by Unity and delta time is a property of that class that returns me the float, and the value that it returns is the time between two frames. Okay, so for example, let's say the last frame started at 1 second, and this current frame started at 0 point sorry yes 1.2 seconds. So the time difference between two frame is 0.2 seconds, so that value it will return. uh, then time dot time uh, is uh, is also like a property provided in a time class by Unity itself, and it returns me the value of the like the time like the time that this frame started from the beginning of the game, like from as soon as the game player started playing the game. So how much time he has spent in game, so that total time it will return. uh, so for yes, and another thing is, if you pause the game, then time dot time will not increase, its value will not increase, it will also pause. And if we if we pause the game inside an editor, or even in in the game, so if we pause in real, then it will be we have to do the time dot time scale is equals to 0, and if we do that, then also the time dot times value will not increase, so it will provide me the same value. So again, repeating my answers. So time dot time delta time will provide me the time difference between two frame. Okay, and time dot time will give me the time passed since the start of the game. Okay, and if I pause my game and stuff, so the time dot time will not be increased. That's it. Thank you.